Hey guys, as you can see, we are on to another topic, and today's topic is going to be on early review program. So guys, what early review program actually is? It's a program from Amazon where you have to pay around $60 for getting 5 reviews. So what happens is, when you enroll for this program, you can basically enroll any one of your product, and for every product it will cost you $60, and the fees, $60 fees, will be charged when you get your first initial review. You don't have to pay the fees upfront. You will only charge when you get your first review. Then you will be charged around $60. At the time when I was starting out, and at the time the fees was $60, but let's see what's for now. And as you log into your Seller Central, and when you come to advertising tab, here in this third column you will find early review program, and you have to click on this link, guys. And as you click on the link, it will bring you to this page, and as you can see, here is the Get Started tab, and you have to click on this link. So as you click on the Get Started button, it will bring you to this page, Enroll in Program, Early Review Program page, and here you have to put your parent SKU, guys. So guys, as you put your SKU on that tab that I showed you, and after you click on check eligibility, you will come here to this page, guys. Most of the products will be eligible for getting enrolled in early review program, and after your product is eligible, then you will come to this page, and as you can see, fees charged today is 0. Total fees charged upon first review published is $60. So you will be charged $60 when you get your first review, guys. So as you can see, no charge if you don't receive a review. You won't be charged any money if you don't receive any review from this program. And total program fees covers up to 5 reviews. You can get up to 5 reviews. Most of in my experience, I have got around 4 reviews, but that is okay, and enrollments can cover an entire SKU variation family. So if you have a product and it has variation, then it can cover its whole entire variation, and enrolled products can be modified even if a variation changes. If you change the variation, then products can be modified. As you can see, no cancellation or refunds. You won't be getting any cancellations or refunds after enrolling in this program. So after you choose your desired product that you want to put in early review program, then you have to click on this Enroll in Program tab, guys. So after you click on this Enroll program, you will be eligible for getting review up to 5 reviews from this early review program, guys. So you can give it a try and see how many reviews you can get, and check this out, what this early review program actually is. So hope you guys got an example and understand what this early review program actually is.